Hello, just wanted to let everyone know that I really enjoyed the dish. I try to eat dinner before I edit so I can give you guys an honest opinion of what my outcome was. I'll say give it a try. I say it's the best dish that you can have on a cold winter day. In fact, this is going to last me 2 days. So if you're in a household but you don't want to get up and be cooking tomorrow, this will definitely last you for 2 days. So add the rice according to your family size, season it to your health, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Love on those that love on you. Pray for the world. If there's anything that you guys will want me to try on this channel for its recipe, give me a holler. You never know. I'm pretty good with it. Later.